The Eureka DashSprint NEU610 is a powerful upright vacuum made for fast, easy cleaning on carpets and hard floors. With strong suction and pet hair-friendly performance, it handles everyday messes with ease.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Eureka DashSprint NEU610 upright vacuum, crevice tool, dusting brush, pet tool, vacuum hose, handle,
and user manual.
How to use? The Eureka DashSprint NEU610 is designed to be simple to assemble and easy to use, with tool-free setup, snap-in parts, a removable top section for easier cleaning access, and a lightweight build that feels manageable during everyday use. It features Cyclone technology, a long power cord, a removable hose and wand for above-floor cleaning, plus separate controls for the main power and brush roll, making it suitable for both carpets and hard floors. In testing, it delivered solid suction, handled a high-pile carpet reasonably well, picked up visible dust, dirt, and crumbs, and overall felt like a good value for its budget-friendly price, even if the build quality is basic and the vacuum runs fairly loud.
Smart features?
Uses separate motors for suction and brush roll performance to improve cleaning on carpets and hard floors. It helps deliver stronger pickup and more consistent cleaning power during everyday use. Separates dust and debris more efficiently while helping maintain suction as the dust cup fills. This system supports better airflow and more reliable cleaning performance over time. Lets you switch the brush roll on for carpets or off for hard floors when needed. It adds flexibility for multi-surface cleaning and helps avoid scattering debris on bare floors. Makes it easier to maneuver around furniture, corners, and other obstacles during cleaning. This improves control and helps the vacuum feel more comfortable to use around the home. Built-in headlights help reveal hidden dust, crumbs, and debris in darker spaces. They are especially useful for cleaning under furniture and along edges where dirt can be easy to miss. Includes tools for removing pet hair from stairs, upholstery, and furniture more effectively. The hose and wand also help extend cleaning reach beyond floors for more whole-home versatility.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Eureka DashSprint NEU610 upright vacuum from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Eureka DashSprint NEU610 upright vacuum. See you at the next one.